Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please click that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. As you guys can see from the title, today's video is going to be my favorite YouTubers in 2020. So this is gonna be my famous edition, and then I'm going to do my another one in another video, so you guys can look forward for that. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have my list here and I'm gonna be telling you guys I think I came up with 22. I wanted to reach to 20, but yeah, I couldn't stop writing. I have a lot of YouTubers that I watch because I basically watch YouTube a lot. I don't watch movies and Netflix shows like that. So it's like how people would give you their top 10 favorite Netflix shows. I could probably give you top 10, but I can't give you more than 10. Get what I'm saying? Probably like 5. I don't watch a lot of movies like that. I do watch movies, but not a lot. I watch a lot of YouTube. So I'll be sharing with you guys most of the YouTubers that I watch. I will be doing another version. So this is gonna be kind of like the American, Canada, overseas, not Jamaican, basically YouTubers, and I'll be doing the Jamaican YouTubers in another video. So yes, my first YouTuber is Remy Cruz. She has 2 channels. She has Rem Life and she has Miss Remy Ashton. On Rem Life she do vlogs and such, and then on Miss Remy Ashton she do sit down videos, advice videos and such. And I think I started watching her a long time ago, and she's one of the reasons I actually wanted to be a YouTuber. She and other persons that I kind of stopped watching after a while actually, but she has been one of the consistent ones that I keep watching and never stop watching, because she reminds me a little of myself, I guess. I like to watch one of her best friends, Alicia Marie. Alicia Marie has also 2 channels, and it's Alicia Marie Vlogs and Alicia Marie. So they kind of, I don't know, they're kind of that kind of down-to-earth kind of person, and I like that kind of vibe, so I like to watch them. Now FaZe Rug is my third person. He's a part of the FaZe clan, and they started out through gaming, and so then he ventured into vlogs, and then he does a lot of challenge videos and such, a lot of fun videos. Let me tell you, I introduced Tovia to him in quarantine, and she told me she got hooked. So y'all know he's a great YouTuber. And then also in the FaZe clan I watch FaZe K. I don't know, he's also like a gaming YouTuber, and then he does challenges as well, and I love his vibe and his personality, so I guess that's why I love his channel so much. And then the next one of my top favorites is Wasabi. I have been watching him before he I think his channel, or the channel, was with him and Guava Juice, well, now Guava Juice. So they have 2 separate channels now, but when they were younger, they had, both of them had the Wasabi Productions. Guys, I usually watch their channel so much. It was like drama and funny videos and so on, but now he does vlogs. He does a lot of challenge videos, and basically just everything, just fun stuff and such like that. So I love those videos, and he is amazing. Then the next one, I think these persons are from Amp World. I think that's the group, Amp World. And I watch Brent Rivera, his sister Alex Rivera. I watch Ben Azulart. I watch the Stokes twins, Lexi Hensler, Pearson, Andrew Davilia, and I watch Dominic rack. Oh yeah, I should have added Jeremy. I can't even remember his last name right now, but Jeremy's also one of them I watch. So yes, I basically watch all of the Amp World group of people. They're fun. Their videos are kind of the same though. If you watch it, you realize that the person that edits for one edits for basically all, because you can see a similarity in their videos. So yeah, they do video with each other a lot. They do a lot of pranks, a lot of fun. They do a lot of fun videos. They make me laugh on a day-to-day basis whenever they upload, so pretty amazing. And then I have my family. She is a YouTuber from Canada and I love her videos. I don't know, she's just kind of down to earth and just have this vibe, so I just love her videos. So she's just one of the persons I watch. And then Sarah Grace is also one of the persons I watch. I just love her videos, and I have fallen in love with avocados and how avocados look because of that girl. She loves avocados and she does this thing at the end of her videos, avocado member of the month. Yeah, and she gives away avocado plushies and they are the cutest things ever. So I kind of like avocados, how they look, and just wanting to get avocados. So yeah, she is a great YouTuber as well and I love to watch her. The Team RAR members, I love to watch Team RAR members, and the Team RAR members: Ryan Prunty, Stove's Kitchen, Carter Scherer, Lizzie Capri. Those YouTubers I love to watch. They have a lot of challenge videos. They do a lot of the videos, like last to do this wins $10,000. First person to do this wins $10,000. The best this wins. They do a lot of $10,000 challenges. They are and I tell you guys, you see, when you look at they did I think Carter did a tour of the Team RAR house. That house is amazing. I love their pool and I love their basketball court. It is amazing. So yeah, the next YouTuber that I watch would be Adeline Morin, and she has two channels. Her channels are Adeline Morin and Adeline's Camera Roll. Now I fell in love with this girl's channel for one reason, and it was because she loves yellow. Guys, are you guys seeing my yellow wall? I love yellow. So I kind of stumbled up on her and realized she loves yellow, and then kept watching her videos and realized she is an amazing YouTuber and she's very motivational. I don't know, she's just a nice YouTuber. She's fun. Her energy, guys, she has an energy. I wonder where she gets it from, because I'd like to know. I'd like to get some. So yeah, she's another YouTuber I like to watch as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you guys watch any of these YouTubers that I do watch, and let me know what you guys think of the YouTubers I watch. If you do want to check them out, you guys can. I am sure you might at least watch and like at least one of them. I don't know, but yes, these are the YouTubers I like to watch. Let me know down below again if you like to watch any of these as well, so we can be watch buddies and all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, share with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.